Christine from CC Designs, and today I want to do an introductory video to our new dies, the In and Outs. The idea behind the In and Outs is that you get the layered effect without a lot of the bulk, plus you only have one die to make the layered effect instead of multiple dies to layer it up. Now on the card here you can see I've used the rectangle in and out, and this part is the out part, and then this part's the in part, and it nestles right in there just perfectly. Now they come in 4 different designs. We have the circle, rectangle, oval, and the square. So to use the die, I've grabbed the circle one, and what you're going to do is you just take your die, and you take your paper, lay it on there, run it through, and then you've got the out part and the in part. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take white paper and do the exact same thing. We're going to run this through the machine. And so now we have 2 sets of the circle. So what you can do is many different combinations here. You can do the red for the outer with white in the center, white on the outer with the red in the center, and they fit nice and snug in there. Or you could do white on white and the red on red, and then you've got like the line here, and it just gives it a different look. So here are a couple cards. This uses the rectangle. Here's another card where I used the rectangle, and I did the out part in pattern paper and the in part in white paper. And then on our little bumblebee, I did the out part in orange, and then I did the in part in yellow, and I used our new mini heart stencil to stencil the background of the inner part. On this card, I did the out in a solid black paper, and I did the in polka dots. And then for the bee, I used the pattern paper on the outside and the black on the inside. So this was from this, and this was from this, and then I made. Now this card uses the rectangle out in a solid color, and I did a shaker card with it. So here's a look at the dies again, and they are not attached, so when you get them, they're each separated already, so there's no clipping between them, because they were too tight to try to get clips and snips in there or anything to clip them apart. So again, we have square, oval, rectangle, and circle. Okay, so for the sizes, the circle is 4.5. The rectangle is 4 by 4.5. The oval is 4.5 by 4. And the square is 4.5 by 4.5. And then each one steps down an inch. I'm so excited to bring this new product out. I have found it really useful in card making. I've actually found my card making go a lot faster because I only have to grab the one die to make the layering effect. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.